She was a British singer, songwriter, and entertainer whose musical recordings and performances were largely popular. She was widely known as the Force Sweetheart and gave outdoor concerts for the troops in Egypt, India, and Burma. Her mother, Annie Martin, was a dressmaker. Her father, Bertram Samuel, was a plumber. Her spouse, Harry Levish, was member of Ambrose's orchestra. In 1941, she married Harry Levish. Her daughter named Virginia Penelope Annie Levish. Her parents, who had married in 1913, they rented another house in Upney Lane near her parents' house. Her grandmother's maiden name, Lynn, was chosen as a Vera's stage name. They had one child in March 1946. Her brother named Roger Welch. She is said to have had a net worth of 20 million. She was born in East Ham, Essex, on 20th March 1917. In 1919, when she was 2 years old, she fell ill with diphtheria croup and nearly died. She devoted much time and energy to charity work connected with ex-servicemen. She was sent to an isolation unit and was discharged after 3 months. As a result of her hospitalization, her mother was very protective of her. The songs most associated with her are "We Will Meet Again," "White Cliff of Dover." She recalled her mother was not as strict with her elder brother Roger as she was with her. She began performing publicly at the age of 7 and adopted her maternal grandmother Margaret Lynn's maiden name as her stage name when she was 11. In 1937, she moved to the aristocrat of British dance bands, Bat Ambrose. Her first radio broadcast with Joy was in 1935. She appeared on records released by dance band, including those of Lowe's and of Charlie Kunz. In 1936, her first solo record was released on the Crown label. She supported herself by working as an administrative assistant to the head of shipping management company in London's East End. After a short stint with Lowe's, she stayed with Kunz for a few years, during which she recorded several standard musical pieces. In 1937, she made her first hit recording, "The Little Boy That Santa Claus Forgot" and "Red Sails in the Sunset." English singer, actress and songwriter known for hits like "We Will Meet Again." At the age of 92, she became the oldest living artist to have at first song on the British album chart.